Hey everyone, today we are looking at what could be my worst financial decision ever. But we are actually going to be unboxing the Baccarat $400 Pokeball, Crystal Pokeball. And yeah, so let's see whether or not this is a cool collector's item or maybe put me back a little bit in paying off my college loans. Or both. Probably both. All right, but anyway, I have not even opened up the package yet. So this is what came. Unfortunately, it was not even signed on delivery. So I was a little bit surprised about that. I thought that maybe they wouldn't leave a $400 item out. But I actually found it when I came back from grocery shopping. So we're gonna open it up right from the very beginning. And I just have the paper there covering my address. All right, I waded through the rest of the box. There was just, like a receipt and catalog and return instructions. Not that much else other than this box. So obviously you can see we do have the Pokemon logo, Baccarat and Pokemon right there. And let's just undo this ribbon and check out what's inside. There's a little bit of dust from the packing peanuts. Wow. We have a tissue ball. Let's just take a look here at the extras that they toss in here. I think it's probably a bag for the ball, or maybe not. Maybe this is a cleaning cloth. I don't know. I honestly don't buy Baccarat products. I'm not rich. But yep, I guess that is the official authenticity card they have there, and I guess I'm assuming that's numbered. This is not a limited edition product necessarily, so like they're not the most expensive. $27,000 in fact. Fragment Pikachu is limited to only, I think it was 27 copies. Of course this is not. So obviously there's a little precautions booklet. How to take care of your Pokeball. Do not throw it, probably. I would guess. But anyway, yep, there's a little thing right there. Little felt feet for the Pokeball. And this is just a few more care instructions. All right, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. And honestly, I'm a little bit scared. It is definitely quite heavy. Wow, a lot heavier than I was expecting, actually. And here it is. Yeah, definitely heavy. Definitely heavy. So what do you guys think? I think the camera, obviously you can see fingerprints there and stuff. If you're gonna put it on display, I think you'd probably have to make sure to give it a good cleaning, because just touching this will instantly, kind of make it dirty. But yeah, I guess it's pretty cool. I am just shocked at how heavy it is, because it really is heavy. But I think this is actually going to look really cool just wherever I decide to put it. I'm probably going to be buying like a plastic case or something to make sure that dust doesn't get on it. And then I'm just glad that I don't live anywhere that has earthquakes. Maybe tornadoes, but no earthquakes. So that shelf of Pokemon stuff behind me is not likely to fall over and destroy this $400 Pokeball. So what do you guys think? Is crystal, which is actually like basically glass with some extra ingredients and well, I guess you know what, you should look up the Wikipedia article because I'm not going to explain it here perfectly. Now next to here, I do have the Wand Company's die-cast Pokeball, which I briefly covered in a TikTok, I think. I don't know if you guys have much experience with these. It's pretty cool. The base lights up, has a few lighting options, and the Pokeball button also lights up when you grab it. But I just thought it would be fun to kind of show them side by side and do a little size comparison. I will tell you what, I thought this was heavy, the die-cast metal Pokeball. The crystal is actually heavier. So that is one surprise there. I wondered, could I get like the Pokeball coloring from behind? Maybe not, I guess. But yep, these are them side by side. Obviously very different items. If you're curious, these die-cast Pokeballs are around $100, and of course this is $400. So they're both expensive. I'm not even gonna say this one is cheap because it's not cheap. And I actually canceled my pre-order for the Dusk Ball because I was like, you know what, I gotta cut some corners here. So I am still, this is the only one that I have out of the collection. There is a Pokeball, a Great Ball, Ultra Ball, Dusk Ball, and I think coming are Heal Balls and Premier Balls. I am planning on getting the Premier Ball because I think having like the Pokeball here and then the Crystal Pokeball and then the Premier Ball is gonna look pretty nice. But I'm not planning on getting any other ones, even though I do kind of really love Heal Balls. If they put out a Dream Ball, that would be an instant buy. But that would be the only other one, I guess. I really want to put this in the container here. Ooh. So maybe this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the lighting stand from the other one and use the Crystal Pokeball with it. I obviously do need to be very careful not to like scratch this Pokeball. But I mean, tell me that doesn't look cool. It looks kind of cool. Not $400 cool, but kind of cool. So anyway, guys, tell me what you think about the Pokeballs. Do you love all this Pokeball merch that's been coming out, especially with the 25th anniversary of the series? Personally, I will tell you what, I bought the Crystal Pokeball for kind of two reasons. One, because it was just so crazy, it looked cool, and I kind of wanted to do a video unboxing of it. But then I also kind of just want, as a collector, as a fan who's been there from the beginning, I also kind of just wanted a luxury item to have as a decoration. And there's the Swarovski Crystal Pokeball. I don't know if you guys remember that. Came out in, I'm trying to remember if it was, I think it was 2020. Don't quote me on that. That was $750 and a little bit too like bling bling for me. What does that mean? I don't know, but like this Pokeball was kind of, it definitely looks luxury, and I think you can tell like this doesn't look just like regular old glass. Maybe you can see it on the camera, maybe you have to be in person to see it, but it really does reflect the colors well. You can see kind of like the rainbow effect there with, I believe it's picking up the window in the back that I'm using for lighting, natural daylight. But I did want something that was like a little bit extra, just as a fan of the series and as someone who's had this be a part of their life for so long. I thought it would be kind of cool just to have something around the house that was not something that I would usually buy, but just to splurge on once. So yep, I'm definitely, my husband says I'm not allowed to buy much more Pokemon stuff this year, but sacrifices had to be made, and I do think this is going to be a cool item that, maybe I pass down to my kids. So anyway, tell me what you think in the comments. It's definitely was a unique purchase, and one that was, kind of hurt my wallet, but anyway, take care, everyone, and let me know in the comments what you think. If you've bought any merchandise for the 25th anniversary, or if you desire to buy kind of one of these very extra, expensive Pokemon items at some point in the future. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check us out on social media, usually at PokeJungle and also PokeJungle.net. Thanks, everyone.